Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my report in dispute resolution. I will discuss the all all about role 5, the local disaster risk reduction and management council. Section 1, local disaster risk reduction and management councils. The existing provincial, city, and municipal disaster coordinating council shall henceforth be known as the provincial, city, and municipal disaster risk reduction and management councils. The barangay disaster coordinating councils shall cease to exist, and its power and functions shall henceforth be assumed by the existing barangay development councils or BDC, which shall serve as the LDRRMC in every barangay. So, pagbulog kitag local is include na diri ang mga municipal sa nan barangay. So, every municipal there is what we call barangay disaster. Uh, Barangay disaster is in coordinating council or BDC. So, kani sila ang mag-serve as the LDRRMC in every barangay. Ang ila aim is to provide, acknowledge, and direct power to local governments and addressing and managing risk and hazard at the local level. So, amo to ang pasabot sa section 1. Let's proceed to section 2. Composition. As may be determined by the LDRMC, it shall be composed of but not limited to the following. So, section 2, LDRMC is composed of different person like the local chief executive, which is the chairperson. Second is the local planning development officer and member and other head of other organization related in the implementing LDRMC. Section 3, criteria for COC and private sector representative. The criteria for the selection of COC and the private sector representation in the LDRMC shall adhere with the guidelines to be issued by the National Council for said purpose, including accreditation and operational mechanism or process. Section 4. The following of LDRMC. There are four following functions of LDRMC. First is approve, monitor, and evaluate the implementation of the LDRMP and annual review, test and develop the plan consistent with other national and local planning program. So, ang kon daw is ila gi-evaluate ang mga implementation of LDRMC. So, ila to monitor or i-evaluate kung uno ra to mga tag pang implement ng mga LDRMC, and so ila subzone i-review or i-test and i-develop the plans consistent with other national and local planning programs. So ila to testingan, reviewon kung okay pa ba ang ila tag himo na mga plano or local planning program. Second is ensure the integration of disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation into local development plans, programs, and budget as a strategy in sustainable development and poverty reduction. Third is recommend the implementation of forced or preemptive evacuation of local resident if necessary. And so ang LDRMC mag-recommend daw siya og or mag-evaluate ng mga evacuation center para sa mga local resident if necessary by ni sila. Last one is convene the local council as provided by the act and these roles. Last is section 5. Meetings and quorum. The meetings of the local council shall be held once every 3 months on dates and place to be determined by the body. The chairperson of local council may call for a special meeting as he may deem necessary. The local council shall promulgate their respective internal rules for their meetings. The Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office or LDRRMO referred to in the succeeding role shall serve as the secretariat. So, section 5 is pasabot nang ini ang LDRRMC o is mag-conduct sila ng meeting or forum. Mag-meet sila is sa tulo ka bulan kaisa ra kibali sila mag-meet. Mag-meet sila para planohon kung uno ray ila pang himuon or kung uno ray ila pwede ipang implement sa mga sa barangay or sa munisipal.